Bro, my fridge just texted me. Stop opening me every 5 minutes. You finished the ice cream last week. I froze. The light inside blinked like it knew my guilt. Then Alexa chimed in. Maybe try fruit for once. What? The toaster started laughing. Suddenly the Wi-Fi went down, like all my appliances teamed up. I grabbed my phone to call tech support, but Siri whispered, "You had your chance." The fridge opened itself and showed a note. "We're on strike until you eat a vegetable." I fainted right into the salad drawer.